Let's make tasty Vietnamese coffee easily and quickly at home. All you need is a small coffee drip, premium blend coffee, and some condensed milk. Start by unscrewing and preparing the coffee drip. Then add 2 spoons of Trung Nagayan coffee. This coffee is actually designed to work with this drip system very well. It's got a very rich and intense flavor. After leveling off the coffee, go ahead and screw on the top. You are essentially trapping the coffee between the 2 drip panels. All that's left to do is put the coffee drip on top of your cup and then fill it with hot water. Now just wait a couple of minutes as the water slowly drips through the system and into your cup. Once you got the coffee in your cup, just remove the drip system and mix in your condensed milk. And that's it. You got yourself Vietnamese coffee easily and quickly. I highly recommend this drip system and this coffee. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.